PNC Points Business Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur looking for a credit card that combines rewards, flexibility, and valuable business tools, you've probably wondered about the PNC Points Business Card ***. But in 2025, with so many options available, the question is, is this card worth it? Or should you leave it? Most people assume it's just another rewards card, but the PNC Points Business Card has some unique features that could make a big difference for your business finances if used correctly. Let's start with the basics. The PNC Points Business Card is designed specifically for business owners who want to earn rewards while managing daily expenses like office supplies, travel, and utilities. Unlike personal credit cards, this card offers expense tracking tools, spending controls for employees, and flexible rewards redemption. This is crucial because managing multiple transactions across a business can become complicated quickly. The rewards structure is straightforward but competitive. Every dollar spent earns 1 point per dollar and certain categories like travel, office supplies, and telecommunications can earn 2 points per dollar . Most small business owners get this wrong by assuming all purchases earn bonus points, but only select categories offer higher rewards. In 2025, this approach is still strong, especially for businesses with recurring expenses in these areas. One standout feature is flexible redemption options. Points can be redeemed for cashback, travel, gift cards, or statement credits. Most business cards lock you into a single redemption pathway, but PNC gives you flexibility, which is a subtle yet powerful advantage. For example, you could use points earned from office supply purchases to cover a business trip, or simply redeem them as cashback to offset monthly expenses. Now, let's talk about fees and costs which are critical for business credit cards. The PNC Points Business Card has no annual fee which makes it ideal for new or small-scale businesses that are still managing cash flow. Interest rates range from 18% to 26% APRA depending on your creditworthiness. Carrying a balance can diminish the value of your rewards, so this card is best suited for owners who pay in full each month. There are also foreign transaction fees of 3%, so frequent international travel may require a different card. One of the most important aspects of this card is expense management tools. You can set spending limits for employees categorize transactions for easier bookkeeping, and export data for accounting purposes. This is incredibly helpful for companies with multiple team members who need to make purchases. Many business owners overlook this feature, but it can save hours in monthly reconciliation and improve overall financial oversight. The card also integrates with PNC's virtual wallet for businesses offering real-time expense tracking, alerts, and budgeting tools. This integration makes it easier to monitor employee spending, track points accumulation, and maintain control over cash flow. For example, if your sales team travels frequently, you can see exactly how much they spend and which categories earn the most points. Security and convenience are another strong point. The PNC Points Business Card comes with zero liability for unauthorized purchases chip and PIN technology and the option for virtual cards for online transactions This reduces risk for businesses, especially when employees make purchases online or when sensitive transactions occur frequently. Instant digital issuance ensures you're never waiting to make purchases, and your rewards start accumulating immediately. Let's examine the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Pros: earn points on everyday business expenses, bonus points in key business categories like travel and office supplies, flexible point redemption for cash, travel, gift cards, or statement credits, no annual fee, expense management tools, employee spending controls, and reporting features, integration with PNC Virtual Wallet for businesses, security features like zero liability and virtual cards. Cons: Points may be less valuable than some high-end business travel cards. Foreign transaction fees apply. Rewards categories are limited compared to premium cards. High APR for balances carried month-to-month. So, who should consider this card? Small business owners who want a *** low maintenance, no annual fee rewards card *** companies that need ** expense tracking and employee spending controls ** businesses that primarily spend in ** bonus categories ** like travel and office supplies, entrepreneurs who prefer ** flexible point redemption ** for multiple purposes, who might want to look elsewhere. Businesses with heavy international spending due to foreign transaction fees, companies seeking ** premium travel rewards or luxury perks, ** owners who carry a balance each month and risk losing rewards value to interest. To give you a ** real world example ** imagine your small business spends $5,000 per month on eligible expenses. If you earn ** 1 point per dollar ** on most purchases and * 2 points per dollar * on select categories, you could accumulate roughly * 70,000 - 80,000 points annually *, redeemed for travel that could cover a few domestic business trips, or redeemed for cashback. It could provide * $700 800 * to offset your expenses. For a small business, that's a meaningful contribution to the bottom line without extra effort. The card also supports ** employee cards at no extra cost *, allowing your team to earn points on everyday purchases. You can monitor their spending and categorize expenses for accounting purposes, which reduces bookkeeping errors. Over time, this creates ** better financial transparency *, allowing you to make smarter decisions about budgets and reimbursements. The ** customer experience * in 2025 is robust. PNC has invested in * 24/7 support *, with dedicated business banking specialists who can help resolve card issues, explain rewards redemption, and assist with expense reporting. The mobile app provides intuitive dashboards to track points, categorize transactions, and monitor employee spending. Most business card users overlook how important a strong support system is, but for small businesses without dedicated finance teams, it's invaluable. Finally, let's address whether the ** PNC Points business card is worth it *. If your business spends primarily in the rewards categories, pays off the balance monthly, and values flexible redemption and expense management tools, the card is an excellent option. It is especially attractive for ** small to medium-sized businesses ** that want simplicity and efficiency without high costs. In conclusion, the ** PNC Points business card in 2025 is best suited for small business owners seeking a practical, no-fee card that integrates rewards and management tools **. It's not a flashy premium card with luxury travel perks, but it is functional, flexible, and ideal for everyday business spending. Most business owners get this wrong by comparing it to high-end travel cards, but the PNC Points business card shines in its ** ease of use, expense management features, and practical reward structure **. If this review helped you understand the PNC Points business card, make sure to ** like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell **. Well, continue bringing ** comprehensive reviews of business and personal credit cards, fintech tools, and smart financial strategies ** to help you make informed decisions in 2025 and beyond.